Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, February 16th, and we are looking at Window Traders Market Profile, SPY IWMN, triple Qs. And after an attempt early in the overnight to push this thing higher into the upper distribution, right now we're basically playing really right around yesterday's POC, as you can see. Are you surprised? You really can't be, right? We have the Fed minutes out at 2 o'clock. So I wouldn't doubt if we get a lot of chop inside of here. We were 11 out of 13 wide. Look at this wide overnight POC. Again, I'm in bigger increments, but it's got to be fairly wide. Russell's been trading at the upper end of yesterday's range. So have the Qs. That's where their POC is. Remember, we all went out with price probes. But as of right now, again, there's 75 minutes to go. We're all below the base of our price probes. So we'll see if they get accepted. We've talked about this. We have price vacuums really on both sides of this market. So we'll see what kind of IB we get. And again, more importantly, whatever the market profile and the market gives us throughout the day is going to have to be taken with a grain of salt as 2 o'clock when those Fed minutes come out. Market's ripping all over the place on this silliness about Russia and Ukraine. I mean, again, it's absurd. I don't think if Russia invades, if the market goes down, the market's going to stay down purely on that. And on the flip side, if they pull back totally, the market rallies, it's not going to be purely on that. It's going to be based on what the market's doing, what the charts are telling us, and what the profile is showing us. Overnight high right now, 447.85. Overnight low, 444. Game plan's a little tough. If we open right where we're trading, there is no play, right? You have in balance, in value, 11 wide POC. Sit and watch it. If you open down here, can you take a short against L's high? Yes, you can, because where there were buyers in M period late, they're not there this morning. So you can take a short out above M's high. Believe it or not, we incredibly failed to take out those single prints, which left 10 cents, or the overnight high. Somebody just said this is secondhand info, but the odds of not taking out the overnight high or low 2 days in a row is 1 in 400. Now, I don't know if that's the exact number, but it's rare. So it's pretty amazing. So you can take a short the first time against there. Above there, I'd get out because then they're going to go fill those single prints. And then you see if we get acceptance into the upper distribution. On the flip side, can you take a long against yesterday's low? I guess you can. It would be with overlapping a lower value. But below that, I'm out. Even though the gap is a decent size, 158 points, then I would want to see what kind of tempo and acceleration we get below there. Now, this is all before the Fed minutes. Once those Fed minutes come out, just let it digest. Let it digest. Yesterday's range was not very big. If we're going to be playing inside of yesterday's range, there's a chance we take out both sides of it once the Fed minutes come out. Again, if you're in CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room, you'll be seeing that and getting up-to-the-date info as it happens. And then, on the chart, just going to show you the daily. Again, 3-day balance. Gap is my main focus. We're between we're battling the 20 and the 200. I think by the time today closes, after the Fed minutes, we should have a pretty good idea. Are we going to be taking this out and going for the bottom of these levels, or are we going to take out this and attempt to go get the top of the 3-day balance? We also have options expiration on Friday. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.